In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Lively account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.lively.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Lively. You can see over here initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to create the account for yourself, what you have to do is click on this option account and activation that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find two options, my account, activation. What you have to do is click on this option, my account. Now you'll be led to the login interface of Lively. From this interface you'll be able to sign in to your account. But since you want to create the account for yourself, click on this option, create an account that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to create the Lively account for yourself. You can see over here you'll have to choose your Lively product. You'll be able to see the products over here. Simply select the product of your choice and click on this option, choose. Now once you do that, you'll have to enter your details. So first of all, enter the first name. After you do that, enter the last name. Likewise, enter your phone number over here. Make sure to enter the correct phone number. Now after you do that, also enter the zip code. Now after you do that, click on this option, continue, that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you'll be able to create the profile for yourself. Simply enter your name, email and create a password in order to manage your account securely. Follow through the prompts and you'll be able to complete creating the profile for yourself. After you do that, your account will be created. So that is how you create Lively account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.